Welcome back to another episode of Becoming a Better You. And this is going to be episode 4, and we're going to call this When You Look Good, You Feel Good. So, this is me in rare form. Well, I got a wig on, but face. This is bare face, did my skincare routine. And I don't wear as much makeup as I used to. I still love to play in makeup, but I just don't because I've been really focused on my skincare. And the skin is skinning. Okay, like my skin been giving, but I have blemishes, acne marks and all this stuff because I pick sometimes. I'm not supposed to do that, of course, leave scars. But I have very dark under eyes. My eyes used to be like really puffy too, but I have really dark under eyes. And this is something I've been doing since probably May of last year, like almost every day. Not really on the weekends, but like every day I need to step out the house because again, like when you look good, like you just feel good, and there's nothing wrong with me going outside like this, no, but I be wanting to look woke. I be wanting to look bright under my eyes and stuff. Like I just be wanting to look, maybe I'm here, so I don't do too much, but I feel like this can help someone, especially if you're new to makeup, if you suffer from like really dark under eyes like me, and you just want to go outside and just look woke, just look bright, just look like a light. And when I step outside like this, because I already know I'm her, been her, long time, feel me? But when I just do this little routine, and it does not take long at all, you do not need mad expensive products. You can start with drugstore, whatever. You just feel better. You just feel better. You just feel better. So actually, I just came from Sephora. Yo, I spent like almost $60 on 2 products, and I'm not telling you to go do that. Please don't. Don't go do that. Start with your drugstore products, but there are certain products that I do like. There are certain products that I do like. Let me see actually how much I spent. 59.36 on makeup is expensive. Like for shit you really want, but I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use that are like I really really like them. This is one size. This is a setting spray. It's like hairspray for your face. This is the best setting spray that I have ever, and it's waterproof, matte, everything. Like this is the best setting spray I have ever used. Like I had bought a sample at first. The sample was like $17. It's a little bottle. This was 32, but it's worth it. It is worth it. And I have been using Rare Beauty. Selena Gomez has a makeup line, and her concealers and her liquid blush, chef's kiss. I'm on my 3rd bottle of concealer. So let me just show you how I get me right real quick. If I'm gonna just step outside, I don't care where I'm going. I do this because it just makes me feel better, and I don't know. I be looking good without doing too much, and I be feeling good. So because I have dark circles under my eyes, if you're someone who suffers from dark circles like me, get you a color corrector. This is from Beauty Radiance, I think. I don't know. I got it from Target. Very cheap. This is the color salmon. If your under eyes are a little darker, I would say go with like a darker color. LA Girl has one too. I wonder if I have one. I might have got rid of it. They have darker. If you have really, really dark, red might be good because it's all about it's color theory. We're canceling out the brown. So I'll just show you what I do. My face is already done as far as skincare routine. My under eyes are really hydrated because they get really, really dry. You can use a primer. I don't always use primer. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I'm not using primer because I don't plan on using like a lot of product. So I just go in with this, like I'm running out. I use this bitch every day. So I just go like right here where my dark circles are. And I had a pimple here recently that tried to take me out. Oh my God. Like, why would you go right under my eye? So, like, this under eye is actually a lot darker than my other one. And I just go in with this. And you want to let your concealers dry down. You can color correct other parts of your face too, like this. I could do that. I could do that. I just do my under eye because I don't mind my other blemishes showing. When you just look woke and bright, I don't know. Like, I feel like that'd be the main focal point. Like, nothing else, everything else kind of like blurs into the background. So, this is my like everyday. If I have to leave the house, I do this every day. And it does not take long. So, I let that dry down a little bit. You want it to just be not super dry, not all the way dry because it won't be able to move and blend. So let that dry down a little bit and then just go in like one of these little puffs. I call it like a little powder puff. And I just lightly tap. Lightly tap. I go very little bit in the corner, but I'm more focused on just the really, really dark area. The really, really dark area. And as you can see, like it's canceling out that brown, the darkness under my eyes. All right, so that's dried down. I actually purchased my first Fenty product. This is the blurring skin tint. This is good. I use this for all over my face. I rarely use foundation these days. So I've been using this. It's a blurring skin tint and it is amazing. Now I don't use a lot of it. I use very little. I don't put too much concealer under my eyes because I have a lot of creases under my eyes, and I hate when the product just sits in the crease and you just gotta make sure you got a blender around you. Just keep checking to make sure things are not in crease. So I put like a couple dots. It's a little product. I feel like this shit is gonna last a while because I barely use it. Like if I'm doing a full face, yes, but when I'm just doing my under eye, yeah. But again, I don't use a lot of product. So I'll just lightly tap, try to avoid my creases, like get like right under my crease, but just go right over the color corrector. And as you can see, like my under eye is not that dark. Now you can still see a hint of the orange a little bit. You don't want that demarcation on your face. You can, and I think this is buildable, so you can go back in with the blurring tint, and then you can set with some powder, do little bit of spray. Like you can stop right here if you want. But me, no. We take it a little step further. I'm extremist. So this is the new concealer I got. This is a different color. This one is 360W. This is one I always use. This is like, it's brightening, it's brighter. So this one, I was like, let me get something that's more my color to add to my face. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter one. If you can tell, they're two different colors. This one is lighter. This one is a little bit darker. It's more closer to my skin color. I'm going in with the number 380. Again, this is Rare Beauty Selena Gomez. And I said, this one is more my color. I got matched to this yesterday. And the girl, she did like a match. And she was like, that looks good. I don't see no demarcation. So we're going to see. She said, if it's not good, bring it back. So we'll see. And I think they have this at Ulta and Sephora. So I'll go right here in the corners. Like I'm gonna go, not even, yeah, start from the corner and I'm gonna just go like right over that brown, like my dark spots. Go right over that, let that dry down a little bit. So that dried down a little bit. I'm gonna flip my powder puff backwards, and I'm just gonna use this side because I already have two different products on it already. And I'm just gonna, again, lightly tap, go in that corner a little bit. But yeah, slightly tap, avoid my crease area because I already have the blurring tint under it. And I don't know if y'all noticed that I had a blemish mark here, but it's covered up. And I just lightly tap. So we look pretty good. Like I said, you can stop right here, add your powder, do your setting spray, but then I go in with the light one. And this is something I'm actually trying today because that other concealer is very new. So I'll just put a little bit right here in the corner. This should take you roughly like 10 minutes, honestly. And then I put it on the sides because I want to lift the eyes, lift the face, and I just want to look woke. I just want to look woke a little bit more. Yep. And then let that dry down too. Go back in with your powder puff and lightly tap, lightly tap. And there is some product in my crease, but the fact that it's so thin, it's going to be like so easy to blend out. See? Now let that dry down a little bit and then go in with your powder. I've been using, Kylie did her thing, not gonna lie. I got gifted this, the Kylie Jenner, but Laura Mercier is my girl. And I actually mixed them in this one because I like that Kylie has like this little like net. So a lot of powder doesn't come out. So again, I'm just gonna blend this just a little bit more Make sure nothing is in my crease. Make sure nothing's in my crease. Like that, I'll go in. I really like this. And I'll pat a little bit off and then I'll just lightly tap. I don't do a lot of powder. I'll just lightly tap. And this is how I be starting my days, y'all. And I go outside, be like, bitch, I look good. I feel good. Like, what we doing? Do that. Let that sit for 30 seconds, a minute. Let that powder soak in. Sometimes I fill in my brows. I don't really feel like I need to right now. Like, they're fine. I plucked them the other day. Oh, and this is the star. This is the star. And look, it's by Pat. His name is Patrick Star, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the one size. And I'll tell you, it's like hairspray for your face, baby. It don't move. The makeup don't move. Let's shake that up. Then I'll close my eyes. And I do a light spray. Then I'll go back in with my little puff. And it's like it dries so quick. Like it's like hairspray for your face. And then I just go in light taps. So that everything could stay in place for the day, whatever I gotta do, or maybe I gotta run errands. But this is mostly how I start my day. And now my under eye, we look good. We look good. I feel good. You know, I don't look always making a mess. I don't look tired. I look woke. You know, like I said, my other blemishes, they still show, but it's okay. Like my eyes, I look woke. I look bright. Sometimes I'll do my little cat eye, my little signature cat eye, but it's not calling for that. It's not, and I'll do like a small one because I really like a dramatic one. But I will go in with some mascara, and this is who's this? Wet and Wild, and I think I like paid like $5 from this from Five Below. I really like this mascara. Then just because I find myself not even wearing lashes like that no more. Maybe individuals, but yeah, just go in with some mascara. Really bring some attention to the eyes and some definition. Don't forget your bottom lashes. You ain't gotta get crazy. The fact that I'm not doing this close to the mirror, crazy. But okay. When you get to the point where you're not opening your mouth all crazy while you're doing your mascara, baby, that's discipline. That's control. I had to practice that. I had to really practice that. Like, girl, why is your mouth open while you putting on mascara? It's like it's not opening your eyes wider. But yeah, just do a little bit at the bottom. And then, of course, I got to use my Vicky G Foxy Brown liner because you cannot go wrong with a brown liner and some clear gloss. I'll just line my lips real quick. Go in with my Vicky G Cosmetics lip gloss, the best clear lip gloss in the world. Add a little bit of that. And yep, that's it. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to conquer the day. I want you to try this. Use drugstore brands if you have it. Just practice. It's practice. It's practice. It's practice. Like if you think it's hard, then it's gonna be hard. If you think it's easy, then it's gonna be easy. You know, just practice. This does not take long. This is about a 10, 15 minute routine you could do in the morning. I want you to get in the habit of getting a routine going, especially skincare routine. Your makeup actually lays better when your skin is like lit, you know, like it just lays better without like everything just looks better, looks smoother. But taking care of your skin and then just start a routine, just little enhancements. There's nothing wrong with enhancing your beauty. I feel better when I look more woke and I don't know. It makes me feel better. Try it out. Let me know if you need some product recommendations, like drugstore brands and stuff. Like you don't have to go and spend $60 on two products like I did, but I really do enjoy those products, so I use them. But yeah, I look. What is given? What is given? I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right. See you later. Bye.